filtered and non-filtered elements in a single pass. Filter function returns a sublist of elements which return true for a given function. Is it possible to get the list of elements which return false in a different list without going over the entire list again? Example: true list, false list equals some func true or false func list. PS, I know it can be done by initializing two empty lists and appending elements to each based on the return value of the function. The list under consideration can be potentially very huge and there might very few elements that might return true. As the append function is costly, is there a better way to do it?
Try this, using iterators. Use it like this, and remember that the values returned are iterators. If you need lists for some reason, then do this.
So, for example,
if you want to go for a one-liner, you can do this: I'm switching from Dix to lists as Nicholas B. Suggested to improve readability.
You could use generator comprehensions, which should help on performance and facilitate cleaner code. I really am not sure if this will be satisfactory for the rest of your program though. It depends on how you're using these returned results.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.